Hey everybody, Dad and I took the car Saturday morning to the Fremont, Ohio downtown car show and farmers market. It's the first one this year, and man, what a turnout. So this is part one of two. So thanks for coming along. Check it out and hit that subscribe button. This Jurassic Park display is amazingly cool, and these guys put so much into it. We'll be back for more of this later. Yeah, this is bonkers. I'm gonna get my walking in today. Just a quick slowdown to appreciate this guy's really clean 4th gen Firebird. Chrysler's always good for a wild, amazing color. Oh man, look at this. Full-size Mercury. Beautiful Melee Zero Mercury. Really well preserved. We'll be back to this again later, but this is an 814,000 original mile local truck. Awesome little car.
Thank you.
Really cool. Were the bubble windows a factory thing or aftermarket?
Oh, it was factory, really.
Okay.
You get this package is what they call a cruising wagon.
Mm-hmm.
You get the cruising wagon, you get the panel windows with the porthole. You get the sport gauges, the sport steering wheel, the graphics as you see them.
Nice. Custom ride right from the factory.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
The louvers in the back, that was an option.
Yeah.
Fortunately, this car had it on.
Yeah. Very cool. So is it a Survivor then, pretty much like this, or did you have to do a lot of work on it, or?
Well, it's pretty much a Survivor. It doesn't have the same engine though.
Okay. Yeah. A little warmer than what it came with, I take it.
I got a 302 now, but it had a 4-cylinder when I bought it.
Yeah. Well, that's.
It was white, and I wanted it to be orange. So
Yeah.
change the color there.
Yeah. That's cool.
You know, this big Mercury's got a ride amazing. This is a turnpike car. This is just nuts. It's like riding in your living room going down the highway. I think this has to be the pinnacle of space age American fins. I mean, this car, look at this thing. This is 3/4 fins. Just stunning car. You don't see these twin cam Cosworth Vegas very often anymore. I don't know if you saw them that often back in the day. This is a rare little car. Check out this diamond pleat pattern interior in this 57 Chevy Delivery. That is old school and really, really well done. Just really nice.
How are you doing today? Car looks good.
Thank you.
I know you did a lot of work on this car.
It looked like when I brought it home.
Yeah.
Fiberglass front end.
Yeah. Wow. Huh. Heck of a transformation.
Yeah, I did it. Bought it in '79, and I finished it pretty much in '84, '85. And I just keep trying to clean.
Yeah.
My 40-year-old paint job's starting to, but so am I.
Still, I mean, it looks good though. I don't, you know what though? It looks great. It still shines. We're helping. How are you doing today? Yeah?
Oh yeah, he does. He looks at them.
Little babies come around, our boxers and our bulldogs.
Oh yeah, we used to have boxes.
They
as
just
kids.
You know, in my life, I've seen hundreds of Pontiac GTOs, and I've never had a chance to ride in one. I've never driven one. I got to find a way around that.
I've got another 100 coats of wax on it, Mike. I'm gonna go get me some vegetables and head for the house.
It lays right here. Yeah. You should do this one. This one's worse. It's because when
This is nuts. The puppets are a great touch, but this is nuts. These are great. This has got to be a lot of work.
It is. It is. It's always a lot of work, a lot of fun though.
Yeah, that's cool.
I care to take a picture of it.
That is cool.
A small bit of our ginormous group. There's about 600 members of us.
Seriously.
Across the country and across the world that have vehicles. And
I mean, I know movie cars are a big thing, but I never would have thought.
last weekend we had a big meetup on Kelly. We came to Sandusky and went to Kelly's Island. There was 23 cars going on the ferry together between Jeeps, Explorers, and
Oh, wow.
a couple other vehicles. Yeah.
Very cool. Very cool. And I'll be back later. I'll probably put you guys on a YouTube short.
Well, this big car looks strangely familiar. I think I might have driven this one to the show. That means Dad's around here somewhere. But I'm halfway through. I'll check on him. All right, well, I'm going to leave you guys here because there's a ton of car show left to do, so part 2's coming. If I missed you, I'll probably have you on the second half because light was changing, people were in different spots, and I had to work around it. So stay tuned, come back in a little bit. If you made it this far, please hit like, subscribe, stick with us. And remember, get out there, have fun, get dirty, and get at it. And we'll see you on the next one.